Another fine vehicle offered by Ricart Used Car Factory.
This dependable 2005 Dodge Ram 1500 is equipped with a responsive 3.7-liter V6 engine, proven automatic transmission, the power of rear-wheel drive, and has only 49,504 miles. Its electronic and entertainment features include an audio system equipped with an AM/FM radio and a cassette deck and a 4-speaker sound system. It also gets an estimated 21 miles per gallon on the highway, and 16 in the city. For your comfort, this truck has delayed fading courtesy lights and a ventilation system. Some of the safety features on this vehicle include multi-stage deploying driver and passenger front airbags with an on and off switch for the passenger side airbag. Please contact our professional sales staff today to schedule a test drive.
Ricart Used Car Factory is located at 4255 South Hamilton Road in Columbus. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.